Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. This is all about ideas signing in. And guys, in this video I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful crochet centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. These are super trending and very amazing crochet ideas for you guys. I am glad to see you all guys. You guys make these crochet ideas at home very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these crochet ideas at home. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. And for watching my videos. These are super amazing and incredible ideas for you guys. You guys also watch different other crochet centerpieces at my channel, and these are very pretty and very unique ideas for you guys. I'm glad to see you all guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you also must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care and remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Always take care guys. Always be happy. Take care. Allah Hafiz guys.